Welcome to the Empowered Nurse email list. I'm so excited that you are here, and I'm excited to give you something for free in return for being a part of this amazing community of nurses that we have here over at the Empowered Nurse. So with that being said, you now have a free download, a digital download of the Daily Empowerment that you can use on any tablet, any computer. You can write directly on it, or you can print it off and use it there as well. So the Daily Empowerment is a tool that I utilize with nurses all over the world to help them truly build their confidence or to just feel better about their lifestyle and what they're doing both inside and outside of work every single day. So in this video, I wanted to spend a couple minutes just explaining to you how you can get the most out of that daily empowerment sheet if you do choose to continue to do it every single day. That is how you will see the most success, by the way. So spend some time utilizing this very easy tool for about 5 to 10 minutes a day. And my suggestion is that you do that for at least 15 days and then determine whether or not it's something that's actually helping you. Now, whether you're a nursing student, a new nurse, maybe not necessarily a new nurse, but you've been nursing for a couple of years now and you're feeling some burnt out, or you're just feeling like maybe I need a little bit more guidance and I need to feel a little happier about where I'm at in life. This book, this daily empowerment ritual will help you. It will work for you, even if you're pre-nursing. So let's hop on in and really figure out how you can get the most out of this. So go ahead and download your PDF. At the top, you're gonna see the date and your daily gratitude. The number one thing that I realized when I was struggling in nursing school, and that's when I created this, was that I needed to take some time every single day to show gratitude. That's what the people that were having the most success in their lives were doing, is they weren't just, making a ton of money or running successful businesses or being really, really happy nurses. They were showing gratitude every day for where they were at, no matter where they were at. And so that's the number one thing that makes up and starts out the daily empowerment, is making sure that you are writing down what you're grateful for. And it doesn't have to be something huge. It doesn't have to be that you passed your boards or that you got your BSN or that you did something really, really big in life today. It could be that for the first time in 2 weeks you were able to work out, or for the first time in a month you made your bed this morning. It doesn't have to be something giant, like I said before. So just spend some time writing down what it is you're grateful for today. Then you're gonna move into the IROC section. In this section, you are starting with the positive. So you're not starting with what you need to work with, you're starting with what you are already doing well. So this can be in your day-to-day life or in your nurse life. So if you just worked a shift, that's the perfect time to do this, to kind of close the door on that shift that you just have so that you can have some good sleep and some good time away from work. What is it that you did really well? And maybe you're feeling a little defeated. Maybe it was a hard shift and you did make a couple mistakes. That's okay. You still did something well, and I want you to think about that first. What is it that you did well today? The next thing that I want you to focus on is the things that you need to work on. Not the things that you suck at, not the things that you struggle with, but the things that you need to work on. We all have them, and our self-talk is what matters the most. That's why it doesn't say there, you suck, or what you sucked at. It says what I need to work on. So maybe it's Foley insertion, or maybe it's balancing out your lifestyle or spending more time with your kids. Whatever it is that you need to work on, you write it down there. Now, I want you to keep this to 1 or 2 things. No more than that. You don't need to go in depth about what it is you're struggling with and what you need to work on. You're gonna focus on 1 or 2 things. The next step is the schedule for the day. So what is it that you need to get done for today? Maybe you just worked a night shift and you're closing the door on your shift, and today you need to sleep and make sure you get 6 hours of sleep, and once you wake up you need to do X, Y, and Z. Maybe you're doing this in the morning when you first woke up. Totally fine. Right now you can write down what are a couple things that you need to get done today, and don't make your list crazy. One thing that is not on here that I want you to add is a line down this box. And you're gonna have your to-do list and the things that you need to get done over here. And on this side, I want you to write the steps that you're gonna take to take the things from I need to work on to IROC'd. So you're gonna take a couple minutes to write down, what is it that you need to do? What's the first step that you need to do in order to make the things that you need to work on something positive? Because if we don't take those action steps, we're gonna continuously write down the same things that we are struggling with or that we need to work on every single day. And what the hell is the point of that? No point. So spend a little bit of time thinking about what is it that I need to do next. For example, if one of the things that you need to do is be more present with your family and not think so much about work, what's step one to doing that? Maybe it's journaling. Maybe you need to exercise or go for a run. Maybe you need to vent to somebody first and spend a little bit of time talking about your shift and then closing the chapter on it. Maybe you need to meditate or pray or whatever it is for you that will help you close the chapter on that shift so you can be more present with your family. Now, after you've done that, my next favorite part is the affirmations and notes section. So when I was transitioning from nursing student to nurse, and I had to take my NCLEX just like all of us, or take my boards, where even if you're not in the US or if you're in another country and you had to take whatever your particular boards were to become an RN, well, I needed a lot of self-confidence and a lot of affirmations. So that's where this section came from. Every single day I was reminding myself of where I was going and why. Every single day I was telling myself, I'm already a nurse, I'm already successful, I can do the things that I want to do. And in sending that positive message to myself over and over and over again, I was building myself up for success. So here I want you to write down some daily affirmations to yourself. And maybe that feels kind of weird to you. That's okay. Whatever feels good in a positive light that you can talk to yourself, you're gonna write it there. Then the final part of your daily empowerment is the remember you need to section. So here you're gonna write down what things is it that you need to remember to do either tomorrow or later today. And this can be things like, I need to make sure that I'm really positive when I walk into my unit, or like a mini to-do list. So tomorrow I need to make sure I schedule my doctor's appointment. Whatever it is that you need to remember to do the next day and maybe you can look back on, that's what you write there. All right, guys, like I said, thank you so much for joining this community. I'm so excited that you are here and I'm ready to serve you. I hope that you find this so helpful. As soon as you fill out your daily empowerment, I would love for you to snap a picture and share it on Instagram so that I can share it with everybody and so that I can see what you are working on for your daily empowerment. When you do share it, make sure you use the hashtag daily empowerment and also tag me at Lacey Megan. I'm so excited to get to know you guys a little bit more and serve you here through your email. Bye.